Have you ever been frustrated by a color legend that just doesn't seem to show the full range of colors? If you've been working with continuous scales in your plots and noticed that the color bar is truncated, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into this common issue and how to fix it. I totally get it. It's incredibly annoying when your color legend doesn't match your data, especially when you're trying to present your work clearly. Many users have faced this issue, and it can be quite perplexing. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Why is my legend color bar truncated when using continuous scales?" They pointed out that the upper range of the color bar does not extend to the upper limit of the color palette. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this truncation? It seems that even when limits are explicitly set, the legend sometimes fails to display correctly. This can happen across different machines and with various color palettes. Let's break down the troubleshooting steps. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of the truncated legend color bar, the user should first ensure that the limits are correctly set in the scale functions. This is crucial for the color bar to reflect the full range of colors. Next, the user should check the breaks and labels. These should align with the limits to ensure that the color bar displays the correct values. After setting the limits and breaks, the user should adjust the theme settings. This can help improve the visibility of the legend and ensure it is properly aligned. Finally, the user should test the plot to see if the changes have resolved the issue. If the color bar still appears truncated, they may need to experiment with different color scales or themes. Fun fact, did you know that the first color printers were so expensive that only a few companies could afford them? Now, we can create stunning visuals with just a few lines of code. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from another user who suggests that this issue may be resolved by using the development version of ggplot2, specifically version 2.2.1 9000. They provide code examples that demonstrate how to set up the data and apply the continuous fill and color scales correctly. They also provide similar examples for color scales, showing how to apply the same limits and labels to ensure the legend displays correctly. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always double-check your scale settings and theme options when working with continuous scales. This can save you a lot of time and frustration in the long run. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, your color legend should now display correctly. Remember, attention to detail in your code can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.